Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
So let's start, children. We started conversions of fractions. Conversions of fractions. So, Athar, can you tell me?
Fraction.
Okay.
Improper.
Athar, can you tell me what do you mean by proper fraction? Proper.
That have numerator less than the
Very good. Numerator will be less than. See, children, we are revising this daily because we have to remember all these. No need to forget. We cannot forget because every class, class 5, class 6, all the classes we need what is proper fraction, mixed fraction, and improper. Okay, Catherine, what is improper fraction?
with numerator greater than the denominator.
Numerator is greater. Okay. Adidev MJ, can you tell me what you mean by mixed fraction? Unmute. Mixed fraction, what do you mean by mixed fraction, my dear?
Ma'am, can I
Wait, Sranga. Mixed fraction.
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait. He's going to speak. Yes. Yes, Adidev. Yes.
One whole part.
Whole number and it is a fraction with whole number and
Whole number and fraction.
proper fraction. Yes, Sranga Srijit, say again. He was having some confusion. Can you
Ma'am,
say
can you
more
hear me?
clearly, Sranga?
Yeah,
Others
ma'am.
mute.
A whole number and a proper fraction is called
Yes, a
mixed
whole
fraction.
number and a proper fraction. Very good. Okay, now Adira, can you read question number 19? All the children, please take your math workbook, page number 33. Page number 33. All of you mute your device. If someone is reading, please pay attention and try to understand the question. Yes, my dear. Adira.
Anita wants to arrange 100 books on a shelf, but
Shelf.
only 24 books can be put on a rack. How many racks will be filled with books?
Books.
Give your answer as a mixed fraction and as an improper fraction.
Okay, children. So Anita wants to arrange the books. So the total number of books are here. How much?
100.
100. And only 24 books can be kept on a rack. So we have to find out how many racks are needed to keep 100 books. So what we have to do, children? The total number is 100 and 24 books can be kept on a rack. So how to find out how many racks needed? What we have to do? Yes, Prarthana?
We want to divide.
Yes, we have to divide 100 by 24. So what is that fraction? 100 divided by 24. What is that?
Improper fraction.
Improper. Very good. Now, only thing what we have to do, we have to convert this into mixed fraction. Yes, children. So we'll write together the steps. See, children, please adjust your spacing because we had to write question number A as well as question number B. There are enough space.
Good morning,
But,
ma'am.
yes, good morning. So who joined now? Please take page number 33. Those who joined now, please take page number 33. We are going to do question number 19A. So what will be the first step? What will be the first step?
Number of books.
Yes, number of books Anita wants to arrange. Number of books.
Anita to arrange.
Number of children, those who join now, please take page 33, question number 19A. Number of books Anita wants to arrange. Number of books Anita wants to arrange. What is the total number of books that Anita wants to arrange?
100.
Number of books that can be arranged on each rack. Each rack, how many books?
100 divided by 24.
No, my dear, it is given already. In each rack, how many?
24.
24. Yes, that is given. How many racks needed? We will do that step, but you said now. Number of books that can be arranged, that is given. Number of books. Number of books that can be arranged Number of books that can be arranged on each rack. That is also given in the question. What is that?
24.
24, yes. So the number of books that can be arranged on each book, that is given as 24. Now what we'll write? Number of racks. Number of racks that are filled. That we have to find out. Number of racks that are filled. How will find out? What we have to do, children? You told me
100 divided by 24.
100 divided by 24. So children, this is given in which form?
Improper fraction.
We can simply write improper fraction is equal to, that is given already, improper. Now we have to write mixed fraction also. So it is given in improper. So we can simply write 100 by 24. That is improper fraction. Okay. Next, what we had to do? Arrange, give your answer as a mixed fraction and improper. Improper we have already written, because that we have already number of racks that are filled, that is in the form of a mixed fraction. No, improper fraction. Now we are going to find out mixed fraction. Yes, children, that you can do alone. Mixed fraction. Divide, find out the quotient, find out the remainder, and write as mixed fraction. That calculations, children, you can do in rough book. 100 by 24. 100 divided by 24, you can do in the rough book. Find out the quotient, find out the remainder. Simply here we will write only the answer. Mixed fraction equal to. Have you got the answer? How many times 24 can be taken from 100?
Yes, ma'am.
You can write here 24
Ma'am.
times 1.
Ma'am, I did
24 times 2.
Ma'am, I did
Huh?
I got it.
Wait. Okay, so what is 24 times 1? You know that is 24. What is 24 times 2?
48. 48.
48. 24 times 3? 4 3s are 12.
72.
70. Okay. 24 times 4?
96.
96. Yes. So children, we can take only how many times? 4 times. 4 times 24 is 96. Subtract and find out the remainder. 100 minus 96. 100 minus 96. And you got the quotient, find out the remainder, and mixed fraction you have to do alone. Yes, Janvi, did you get the answer?
Ma'am, it's 4.
The remainder is 4. Now give me the mixed fraction, my dear. Mixed fraction.
Ma'am, 4.
4.
4 by 24.
Yes, very good. Because here, children, here, this is quotient and the remainder also 4. So 4 and 4 by 24 is the answer. 4 and 4 by 24. 4 and 4 by 24. So children, you know how we can write the mixed fraction. The quotient will be the whole number. The remainder will be our numerator and the denominator will be divisor. Here, the divisor is 24. So all of you got the answer, children? 4 and 4 by 24.
Yes.
Yes. How many got this answer? 4 and 4 by 24. Yes. Easy, no? All these questions what we have done the same, but we are writing in word problems. Yes.
Ma'am, can I read the next question?
Yes. Okay, who is that?
Ma'am, Sranga Srijit.
Okay, Srinka. Question number 19th question B. Yes.
Divya is arranging test tubes in boxes. She has 15 test tubes. Each box can have only 14 of them. How many boxes will be filled completely? Write the answer as an improper fraction and mix.
Yes, children, same like this. Here, Divya was Anita was arranging the books. So
Excuse
we
me,
need to
ma'am.
find out number of racks. Yes, Rirukda?
Ma'am, what is test tubes?
Test tube.
Yes, ma'am.
That like test tube means you will study in your chemistry and all. You will study when you know it's like a glass tube and all, like a tube.
Chemicals and all.
Chemicals we will learn. Test tube. Okay, it will be like a glass, but in the like this shape.
I'm a
Okay, I will
pipe.
show here.
I'm a pipe.
Ma'am,
I
One
think
side, ma'am, one side closed pipe.
and all you will study your higher classes. Okay, so it is made like a glass.
Ma'am, one
Glass,
side closed. Ma'am, one
glass
side
bowls,
closed.
you know, glass bowls, fish, where you are keeping and all. Yeah. This
Excuse
is one
me,
different shape. It will be longer than. Okay.
Ma'am, pipe, one
Achut
side
got
closed.
that more idea. Yes, Achut. Yes.
And one side closed pipe.
Okay. So it will be closed down. Yes. Open. It will be. That all you will study those who are taking science and all. You will study in your higher classes. Okay. +1, +2 and all. You will have more to study with the test tubes and all. Yes, children. So this is a glass. But the longer it will be, the bowl shape will be longer. Okay. So here Divya is arranging the test tube in boxes. How many total number of test tubes? Please check the question.
Ma'am, test tubes is
50.
Ma'am, 50 test.
50. Okay. And she's arranging in boxes. And how many test tubes can be arranged in one box? 14. Okay. Now you had to find out how many boxes needed. What we had to do?
Let's find out how many boxes.
What we had to do?
Divide.
Yes. 50 divided by 14. How we have done just now? 100 divided by 24. Yes, children. The total number divided by how many can be kept in one box. So we can start writing. Question number 19B. Number of test tube Divya wants to arrange. Question number 19B. Now, I think children, you can write in page number 34. Page number 34, you have space here. Number of test tubes. Number of test tubes Divya wants to arrange. Wants to arrange. It is
50.
50. Yes, 50 test tubes.
50.
Okay. Then, what will write? Number of test tube that can be arranged in each box. Number of test tubes. Number of test tubes. Have you heard the term test tube, baby? Have you heard the term test tube? No?
No.
So all these you will, as you grow big, you will try, please try to observe like these words, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Number of test tubes that can be arranged.
40.
Can be arranged in each box.
40.
40. Okay. Each box it is 40. So what will write next step? Because children, please
Number of
you
boxes.
have it improper and mixed fraction. So please adjust the space. We have 4 lines over there. Mute your device. So what we had to do, you know what we had to do. Yes, mute your device. So number of boxes filled. How many boxes will be filled completely? So number of boxes filled. What we have to do, children? Divide what? 50 by
14.
14. Yes. 50 by 14. Now, children, we are not writing again improper, because which is this form? 50 by 14 means it is improper. Now we are just writing because we don't have space. Just need to write mixed fraction. Divide, find out the answer in mixed fraction. You can do the calculations in the
I'm finished.
book. Yes. Those who finish, please wait. Okay. 50 divided by 14, children, that you can do in the rough book. Find out the answer, the quotient, and the remainder, and write as a mixed fraction. So 50 divided by 14. Fourteen times 1 is 14. What is 14 times 2, children?
28.
28. 14 times 3?
32. 42.
Okay, so that means, children, how many times 14 can be taken from? 53 only. Yes.
3.
Only. Ah.
Ma'am, 5 into 14
the-
is 56.
To find out 50 minus 42, then write the answer in mixed fraction.
Fraction.
What's the remainder, children? 50 minus 42?
8.
Yes, 42 plus 8 is 50. So, okay, so we got our quotient, we got the remainder, we know the divisor also. So, what's the answer?
3. 8 by 14. 8 by 14.
Very good. Correct answer. I think all of you got the same. Yes. 3 is the whole number, children. That is the quotient. And the remainder is 8 that we have to write as numerator, and 14, the divisor, we will write as denominator. So mixed fraction is 3 and 8 by 14. 3 and 8 by 14. Yes, children, have you all completed? Did you get the answer? Can you show me a book? See, children, those many videos are off. Please turn it fast. Adira, Evelyn, Vaishnav, Adidev, fast. Show me your book. Let me see how did you get the space. Let me know. Yes, Vedika.
Excuse me, ma'am.
This now. Let me see. Yes, Advaita. Show me your book. Not completed.
Can you see mine? Ma'am, can you see mine?
I will see one by one. Please wait. I will just want to see whether you are got space. Janvi, show me. Yes. Okay. Now just show me. After question number 20 again, we can see, we can have a look. Okay. So question number 20A. Joyrick, can you read louder? Question number 20A.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Advaita. Okay. Question number 20A.
Yes, ma'am. Over the weekend, Shiva walked 7 by 8 kilometer and Shayan walked Shyam walked for 3 by 8 kilometer. Who covered more distance?
Yes, on the weekend, Shiva and Shyam, they were walking, and it is given in 5 and 7 by 8, 4 and 3 by 8. What is that fraction? What type of fraction is that? Mixed. Yes, it is mixed fraction. We have a proper fraction and a whole number. Now, who covered more distance? Children, we have studied in chapter 8 how to compare the like fractions. Yes, like fraction means what? Who can give me the answer? Like fraction, Hazel? Yes, Hazel? Like fraction. Tell me. Sringa, yes.
Fractions having same denominator.
Same denominator. Okay, so children, how we know which fraction is greater or smaller? If we have the same denominator, we will look only the numerator. Yes, we will look. Okay, so this mixed fraction we can convert into improper and find out who covered more distance. Yes, children. So we will write together. Question number 19 is over. Yes. Question number 28. Distance walked by Shiva. Distance walked by what is given, Sri Rugda? What is the fraction, mixed fraction given for Shiva?
5, 7 by 8.
Yes, 5 and 7 by 8 kilometer. Children, the same line itself, you can write the improper fraction. Improper fraction. How to convert this mixed fraction to improper? What we have to do?
One.
Convert this mixed to improper. What we have to do?
Multiply
Multiply.
the whole number and the denominator. Then we want to add the numerator.
Numerator. Very good. Okay. Do it fast. 5 times 8. Multiply the whole number and the denominator. 5 and 8. Then add the numerator. Find out the answer.
Ma'am, finish.
I'm finished.
Yes. Very easy, children. You can do it fast. 5 times 8. 8 5s are 40. Yes.
47 by 8. 47 by 8.
47 by 8. 47 by 8 kilometer. Okay, children. So the distance walked by Shiva, it was given in mixed fraction 5 and 7 by 8. When you can convert into improper, you got 47 by 8. Find out the answer. Same for Shama, like the same. Distance walked by
Ma'am, that's not Shyam. That's Shyam.
Shyam. Okay, Shyam. Aris Nihal, can you give me the mixed fraction given for Shyam? Look at the question.
4 and 3 by 8.
Very good. 4 and 3 by 8. Okay. Now, children, that much kilometer. Okay. Now you can convert again. Convert. You means you have to multiply 4 and 8. Then you have to.
Ma'am, I have finished.
Ma'am, 35.
Answer?
35 divided by 8.
35. Okay. 35 divided by 8 kilometer. Okay, so Shiva walked 47 by 8. Shyam walked 35 by 8. Look at the numerators and tell me who covered more distance.
Shiva.
Why, children? Why you said Shiva?
It's 47
Yeah, we will look if the denominators are same. That means for the like fractions, we will look only the numerators and you know 47 is greater. Okay, very good. So we can write here the step as 47 by 8 is greater than 35 by 8. Shiva walked more distance. More distance. Yes, here only we had to compare the numerators, and 47 is greater. So that means Shiva walked more distance.
Ma'am, can I read the next question?
Children, have you all completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Adidev, read louder.
Ganesh and Dinka cut pieces of cloth measuring 9 by 4 meter and 17 by 43 meter
Respectively, yes.
respectively. Express the length of the cloth in mixed fraction.
Yes, mixed fraction. So children, look here, question number 20A. They have given the question in mixed fraction. We had to convert into improper. But now in question number B, they have given in improper fraction. One is in proper fraction. What we had to do, we had to convert in mixed fraction. So let's do length of the cloth with Ganesh, and after that there is one more. What is that name? Dinga. Yes, it's look funny. Dinga, nice name. Yes. Okay. So children, question number 20B.
Ma'am, excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am.
Huh?
I written the step as cloth pieces cutted by Ganesh. Is it right?
Length of the cloth. What did he say? Read again.
Ma'am, I have written the step as cloth pieces cutted by Ganesh.
Cutted by. Can we say like that, my dear?
No, ma'am.
I think that's not that. The idea is okay, but grammatically it's a little bit incorrect. Length of the cloth with Ganesh. What's that? 9 by 4. Now children, write that in mixed fraction. Find out the answer. Mixed fraction. Children, there is not time so that you can do as homework. Now length of the cloth with Dinga.
Can do the
17 by
division?
43. Okay,
Ma'am,
children.
Ma'am,
What,
can
my
we
dear?
do the, ma'am,